Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SEI. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from another falling wedge pattern, the price end of SEI was rejected by a long-term resistance of 70 cents. And this was my last video. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this rejection, the price end has now broken down this very long-term up trend line support that was coming from 5th of August 2024 when we had this bounce here on 5th of August. Then we had another bounce here. This was another bounce, and this was a short bounce. And finally, the price line has broken down the support. And after the breakdown, price line tried to break it out once again, but now the previous support is flipped into resistance. And after this rejection, we have also broken down this very long-term support of 41.6 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance here as well. Now, recently it was working as support here, and now again it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SEI. I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared a few days ago on 6th of January 2025 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared almost a week ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that SCI completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying zone, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And you can see that after the completion of the fine leg, the price line was slightly pumped. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction. And once it will be re-enter the buying zone, then we can buy it from here. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected, the price and again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice pump and the price and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And before that, we got almost 12% pump. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern that SCI formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line nicely moved up from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 12% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SEI. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it had been moving inside this wedge, and after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of 70 cents. It has been previously working as a resistance here and support here, resistance here. And recently, for the past few days, it was working at a resistance. And after this rejection, we have broken down this very significant uptrend line support that was coming from the first week of August 2024. We had a bounce here, then the bounce here, and the bounce here, and finally the price and broke it down. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. You can see that we have rejection, and now we have also broken down this long-term support of 41.6 cents. By the way, this 41.6 cents was recently working as a support here and as a resistance here, support here, and as a resistance here as well. And now, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SCI. Now, there is a probability that we may test this support of 32 cents very soon. That was recently working as support here and resistance here and support here. By the way, here you can see that we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern as well. And despite this rally, the price end is not able to hit the target for this breakout from this wedge so far. And that technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1 to $1.14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.